start working with the data access layer, we need access to the data access layer facade. And again, to make this unit test friendly, we're going to make a constructor here. So a public order service constructor right here, order service, and we're just going to put in curly brackets around this guy. And all the order service is going to do is it's going to, from the outside, get a data access layer facade right here, DAL facade, and let's just call it facade right here. And again, we just need to, of course, use the using statement to get that facade from the data access layer, right? So there we go. Now we have the facade available. And then, of course, we're going to make a local reference to that facade. And again, here I'm using the underscore notation. And let's just make a DAL facade called, or DAL facade called facade right here. That's actually going to be set right there. And let's just make this private to actually use another annotation explaining that the facade is only available inside the code right here. You can't get that from anywhere else. It's a private thing. There we go. So now we have the facade available and we can actually start using it. But we need one more thing, and that's actually converters, because again, remember the DAL facade or DAL facade is actually using the entities called order, and we're going to use the business order, business object of the order. So let's also just add a converter here. So we're going to make an order converter like this. And again, I don't have resharper, so I have to write everything in hand. Let's just call it converter. Let's just call it conv for converter, a new order converter like this. So now we have the converter available as well. So now that the converter is ready to use, we're pretty much good to go to actually start implementing all of these functions. But I'll do it in the next lesson because we need to start working with the unit of work, and there's actually a lot of information to start using these different functions down here that we're going to implement. So see you next time.